So you could have recorded the whole show and just like it not even be on.
No, it was on the other time.
Oh,
They're going that way though.
The people that are paying over there, they're not giving us a show.
They were giving us a show.
And we get to see this twice and not even having to pay a penny.
There, stop letting out.
Amanda, you're not recording the show? That was
What
you.
show? I can't see them.
Oh.
They're right there.
Hey, how you say?
Man, you're recording mom sitting there.
Woman, get in the shade.
Where are they?
They went behind those trees right yonder.
Where they go? It's okay. Cool it. Gross. Oh my god, Mom. If they all come overhead like that again, I will probably die. So I'm gonna focus right there.
Inchworm!
Quit!
Man, that was so delayed.
Oh, there's cars. They're so distracting.
Hey, the other one took off. He's tired of waiting on him.
No, that's not them.
I really think this is the worst possible spot because they come over, you can't see them until you hear them.
Oh, boy, Joe.
But this is actually a really good spot, Mom.
Joe, you're not going to see him tomorrow.
You see
What's
them
the
before,
difference?
you see them before you hear them, so don't worry.
It's my pants.
They're,
Oh,
because
there
that's
they
a
are.
really good idea.
Look at that. Oh, here he comes.
Mom, you only peed your pants because you didn't know.
Good job, that must be.
They're like going in like that. It's really weird.
Mom, you only peed your pants because you weren't expecting it.
Yeah, I wonder if they close off the airspace here.
Hey, there's one over there.
He just did a loop. The guy that flew by did a loop. He's coming back.
They gotta give those people a show too. It's not just for us.
I can only see four.
Amanda's just filming the sky.
Even though they're all right there, she's filming that tree.
Well, I don't know where they are.
Over yonder.
One.
There's four whites. Oh, and then there's that one.
That's Roscoe Rubber Butt.
And then
These
there's
guys
another one.
clearly have a different routine than the bluebirds did.
Oh, yeah.
Blue Angels.
I mean, the blue.
Not the Bluebirds.
Really, Johnny?
Oh, I can't believe I called him that.
Mom,
Here he comes.
he's coming right by, so.
Yeah, you got the camera, Amanda.
Amanda's over here, filming the ground. He's coming by.
It's not nearly as big on camera.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If we get it on our TV, it would be.
He's back. What is going on?
He's right there.
I didn't see it. I see
Hey,
Oh
look.
god.
Jimmy. Oh, God.
Oh, I'm seeing this all in like pieces.
Oh, I love it when they do that. And I didn't get it on camera. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're going right to the center.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They're everywhere. Wow. There's still two. I'm so confused.
Straight up.
Guy come overhead.
Yeah, he's coming this way.
Gonna die. We're all gonna die. That's okay.
Amanda. Way to keep it positive.
You're welcome. I hope they all come and join that way.
That's what they're doing.
Like, but
This guy's gonna fall straight down. Yeah, see, that's what he's doing. He's falling straight down.
no,
So
he's
whatever
not.
that guy does, this guy's doing, and they're going
Yeah.
to come together.
This
I
guy's-
can't see him
this guy's-
anymore.
They're like curling in. That's a car, Mom.
That one should be coming back over here because they looped around. See?
I am so
This
confused.
big one, see wherever that guy is there, he's coming around.
He's going to be coming right over our head, Ken.
Well, I don't. It's hard to tell.
Well, look at the smoke screen. Look.
Oh yeah, that guy's gonna be, and this guy should be.
So we basically have 3 people.
Here he comes. He's coming right over our head too.
Where?
They're passing each other. What they're gonna try to do?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
They're all
Yeah.
coming right at each other.
They're gonna pass each other. See?
I thought they were gonna crash. I really did. Here comes
Here he
one.
comes.
I don't know who to watch. You can't do a back bend like that.
Mark's big
I'm
critic
gonna
right
need
now.
adjustment.
Me too.
You know that?
I'm gonna need adjustment.
And a band-aid.
No. Hey, he said I think Obama would probably screaming right now with a carbon footprint they're leaving.
What's a carbon footprint?
The Richens.
Oh, they're using green fuel.
Yeah,
Blah,
right.
blah, 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 blah.
Okay,
Electricity.
Blah,
you can't do
blah, 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 blah.
We're
Sorry.
watching an air show,
Sorry.
not your face.
I'm
He's
bored.
coming. He's coming.
He's coming. He's coming.
Or not.
What?
Yeah, he's coming.
Mom, there's still 2 more.
Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-da-da-dum.
Kenny, I wish you did this for a living.
I don't. This is so dangerous.
Yeah, go start driving.
Yeah. This is so much more dangerous.
He's upside down. I think
Video! Video! Wow, Mom. Funny.
FIY.
FIY.
What?
What does that stand for? For information, you?
For your information. For information, you?
Oh wait, no. FUI. Flying under the influence.
Oh.
Or,
Look at that.
UFJ.
Whoa.
Oh my god, I thought that was a jet.
10.
Unidentified flying plane.
Here's something.
I don't know where to go.
They're way all the way
Oh,
up.
yeah. Wow, they're loud there.
Hey, there's one over there. He's way over there.
Oh, I see another.
Ba-da-da-bum-ba-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
Where do we get it? You can sing as soon as it's heard on commercial.
You know what? You probably don't need to record just Sky.
Okay, fine. I'll record myself going blah, 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 blah.
Mom, what did you create?
I don't know.
That's mean.
The perfect creation.
Can't we don't use that on arcade system?
Car.
Amanda got that car. Cool. Avalanche. We are so
Half
blessed
of this,
to have gotten
half
to
of the
this.
things Amanda's recording doesn't make sense.
Where is he? Where?
There.
Off the
right
ground.
there.
That's the last of it?
I don't know.
Probably.
Oh, Jesus. Scares me when they do that. I don't bend that way. Hey, there's one over there.
You remember last year they had so rain?
Mom. Right there.
Yeah, they're not coming overhead. 4.
4, 5.
Where's the 6th one?
There's one right there.
I know, it's number 5.
There's a 6th one right there.
Oh, yeah, right there.
He's coming right at us.
Oh, my God.
Aw. I'm surprised the sun didn't blind him. I'm surprised the sun didn't blind him. Hey, they're all gonna do it.
Amanda, they have high-powered sunglasses. Yeah, see, they're all doing that. So they have everything.
Yep.
High-powered sunglasses, breathing masks, everything.
They need breathing masks.
Look, they make their own oxygen.
Does it really?
Yeah,
Me too. All Alright.
Yeah, see how far apart they are. They're down.
That's it.
Yeah,
Oh, well.
they're going down and then they're not coming back up.
Bye bye bye.
You know what fuel they burn this now? Thousands of gallons.